US indices traded bullish. The Germany anyways is rallying and hit the record levels, while FTSE 100 has shown slight signs of retracement. What to expect today from these five major indices, the S&P, Nasdaq, Dow, Germany40 and FTSE 100? We are going to see in the same sequence with the help of charts and indicators. We'll try to arrive at the levels at which you can take a trade with profit, trade with confidence. Subscribe, press the bell icon. This is the first update for the day. The next one will be released before the US session. Do not miss to watch it. Do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's S&P has rallied strong and it has come towards the next critical zone at 61 2025. I have mentioned earlier that once it trades beyond 61, 61.20 should be the next, and once it trades now beyond 61 2025, we can expect another round of rise. So 61.25 is one milestone it needs to break, and then we can see the move next towards 61.40-45 level. See, moving average is crossing over here, trading with divergence. Very good sign for the bulls. What has happened here? We have seen a good rise here, and now the support levels here at 61.10 and 6100 are going to remain critical. These levels are going to remain a strong role now, because once it trades below 6100, then 6080, then you can say that it is trying to reverse. Else, as long as it stays above now 6080, it is difficult for US 100 to reverse. Stochastic overbought, MACD has hit the highs, RSI overbought. Things are getting overbought here for S&P, and it is not showing any signs of reversal. Look at the 2-hour charts forming the double bottom. It has seen a good rise after consolidation. It has now given a breakout. Now also notice that after every breakout, it tries to retrace a little. A possibility of a little retracement here also cannot be denied. But again, as I said, the selling entries are only below 6110 and 6100 levels. If you look at the stochastic, this is extremely overbought. MACD rising, RSI near to the top. On the 3-hour charts also similar observation here. Look at the formation here, look at the preceding three candles. Notice also this is outside Bollinger Bands and hence getting a little pressure. Very important for it to now trade below 6110 in order to confirm a reversal here. Notice the preceding highs here. The preceding highs here, the same zone, we have seen it reversing, and now 6125, once it breaks, we can look forward to another round of rise which can take it towards 6140 and 45, the next target zone. Right now I can see that see, precedingly these were the lower highs, and you can see this is double bottom and it has breached out of this channel, which is a very good sign for the bulls here. Yes, this is getting overbought on stochastic, but the MACD and RSI both have room for further up move here. And when you look at the 4-hour charts, the observation is more or less similar. See, lower highs and a breakout here. It's a good sign for the bulls though, but I expect that it may try to fall back within the zone before trying to reverse. Yes, things are stochastic specifically overbought, while the MACD and RSI both have room for further rise. Coming to daily charts, what has happened on daily charts? See, on the daily charts, previous closing was on a bullish note. It is starting off on a bullish note again, and once it trades now beyond 61.25-26, you can stay bullish, expect 61.32, and then beyond that 61.40-45. Beyond 61.45, we are looking forward to a greater rise. Remember what has happened in the last two candles. It has taken a support from the 20 period, and now 60.40 is the support zone which it should break in order to confirm reversal, else it is trading extremely. MACD again is starting to look upwards after a bit of retracement. Stochastic is anyways rising, and the RSI is rising as well. So looking at this, I will recommend you to buy here at 61.26. Expect 61.32, 61.42-45, and then once it breaks beyond this zone, stay bullish for all the way towards 61.58, 61.72 levels. Such a strong rise appears difficult, but yes, these are markets beyond 61.72. Stay bullish for 6200. While on the downside, now selling entries at 6110 levels, below which you can expect it to move towards 5190, 5180, 60, 90, 60, 80 as the next target zone. And if 60, 90, 60, 80 is taken, you can just stay short. Below 60, 80 is where the bearishness should prevail. 60, 65, 60, 50, 254, and then 60, 40 level should appear, below which anyways it's a reversal. Chances for such a strong reversal appears difficult. Trade accordingly. Let's move to Nasdaq 100. Identical charts here for what we had seen on S&P, and now Tech 100 also displaying the same. Look at the move here, taking the support from the 20 period, trying to bounce back, and see this is trading consistently bullish. Now it appears that the bullishness is slightly diminished. Very important for it to now trade beyond 22,100 levels. And once Nasdaq 100 trades beyond 22,100, 120, you can just stay bullish from there and expect it to move towards 22,200 levels, the next target zone. Right now I can see a bit of a struggle here from Tech 100 on the upside. Even if you now see it is staying beyond 22,080, you can initiate a buying entry. And now see on the downside, 22,000 and 19 21,970. This is going to be the prime support zone. Then 21,940, the next support zone, below which you can expect it to correct more. Else it is trading bullish as of now. The stochastic is overbought here. The MACD and RSI both are trading slightly overbought, suggestive of further or slight retracement, I can say. On the 2 hour charts, when you look at, see, this could become a reversal sign once it trades below now 22,020, 99.70 and 99.40 levels. You can expect more correction here, else it is not showing any signs of bearishness here. If you see this, this is how it has been trading. The lows of this channel are now towards 21,900 levels, which will become a greater support. And then the strongest one, see, earlier 21,800, I have mentioned it should not break, and once it is breached, it should show a rally. And now 21,800 is the most critical support zone here for any kind of reversal or any signs of reversal. Stochastic extremely overbought, MACD rising, RSI anyways rising here. On the 3 hour charts, it's outside Bollinger Bands, getting a bit of pressure here from Bollinger Bands. Now look at the move here. Preceding two candles comes with higher lows, and it is also trading with higher highs, not showing any signs of exhaustion. It is still trading bullish. Yes, the prices are trading with divergence from the 20 period moving average, which is a bullish sign here. But yes, too much of divergence calls for it to converge soon. Look at the few last occasions where we have seen this happening, and thus you have to exercise a bit of caution at the current levels. Stochastic overbought, MACD rising, RSI at top. On the 4 hour charts, also similar observation. Preceding three candles comes with increasing body size, increasing bullishness. Now it is very important for it to trade below 22,000, 21,970, levels, which will confirm further bearishness, else it is not showing any signs of bearishness as of now. Here's the stochastic is overbought, while the MACD and RSI both showing signs of further rise. Coming to daily, on the daily charts, look at the formation here. See this, higher lows, higher highs, straight bullishness is seen. And since last 5 to 6 sessions, we have seen Nasdaq 100 recovering sharp from 21,300 levels to all the way now towards 22,050. And see the preceding highs at 22,100, 120. This is going to remain the next resistance. Once it breaks beyond this, we are looking forward to an extremely strong recovery all the way towards new highs towards 22,200, 240, and in fact higher levels. While right now I can see a bit of a struggle here on the upside, and the reversal cannot be denied from the current levels. Let's watch out the direction it takes. Right now it is at a junction from where it has to give you a breakout, and now once you see it is staying beyond 22,080, I think you can buy here. Stochastic overbought, MACD rising here, looking upwards, RSI rising. So looking at this, buy at 22,080, expected to move towards 22,110, 125 zone, first target zone. Then we are looking forward to the next round of rise towards 22,180, 200. And if this is taken, stay bullish, close your eyes, stay bullish. 22,260, 350, 400 should be there very soon. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry now at 22,020, expected to move 21,980, 970, and then 21,940. Below this, 21,900. If at any point of time Tech 100 trades below 21,900, stay short for 21,800 and lower levels. Take your trades accordingly. Let's move to Dow Jones. And yes, if you want to trade as per the signals, you can be part of my signals channel. Connect with me, write an email, ping me or telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a swap free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. US30 on the hourly charts coming close to the next milestone in 44,800, because beyond that 45,000 is a must. What has happened? We have seen it rallying strong, then a retracement, and now after a good rise it is trying to retrace, but very important for it to now trade below 44,700, 44,600 zone. This is going to be the prime support zone. This was the resistance earlier, and now this is going to remain the prime support, because below this the next destination is directly towards 44,500. Now look at the formation, what's happening here in US30. See, this was trading bearish. It has come out of this flag formation, and it is right now showing signs of strength, signs of bullishness here. Let's wait for a breakout. Right now it is trading with the divergence from the 20 period, waiting for the 20 period to climb up. It can retrace and then bounce back. Stochastic looking downwards. MACD has seen a good rise, trying to converge. RSI staying overbought here. On the 2 hour charts, when you look at, similar is the formation, trying to retrace from the peak. And now only selling entry, it appears to be below 44,700. And then also, even if you're selling at 44,700, it has to be with caution towards 44,640, 600, or rather I'll say 44,640, 580, and then 44,500 level should appear here. Here the stochastic is overbought, while the MACD is rising, the RSI is also at the top. And on the 3 hour charts, I can see signs of exhaustion here. Let's wait for it to deliver the next candle. Once it trades below 44,700, you can expect a reversal. Else, right now it is looking upwards. See, the moving average is crossing over here is a very good sign for the bulls here. Yes, the stochastic though is overbought, but the MACD and RSI is still having lot much of available on the upside. And now when you look at the 4-hour chart, see, I can see diminishing bullishness, but yes, it is not showing any signs of bearishness. That is very important. And thus, once with the next candle or with the current candle, if you see the price is trading beyond 44,800, you can stay bullish from there. Expect 44,850, 45,000 levels as the next, and beyond 45,000 we can see it trading above 45, 060, 080, and then 45 200 is also possible. See what's happening after the drop retracement. Every time it is hit the lows, it is trying to move towards the top here, and a possible move towards 45,000 cannot be denied. But I think a struggle on the upside towards 45,050 should be strong. The MACD, stochastic overbought, MACD rising, RSI at the top. Coming to the daily, on the daily charts, notice what has happened so far. A strong support is seen at the 20 period moving average. With that as support, now prices have bounced back. I will wait for today's candle, because see, today's candle is going to be the decision maker, and it might try to deliver a breakout. It is consolidated here enough for long and waiting for a breakout. But as long as now 45,050, that is the previous top, and the record levels are not taken, we have to be careful, because see, this is a double top, and only if it breaks out of this double top, you can say that now the bulls are here to stay. Else what's happening, it is trading in this channel where the lows are now far below towards 42k levels. Stochastic rising, MACD has crossed over for the sell, trading with divergence and bearishness, RSI. So looking at this, very simple, buy at 44,800, 780 levels itself you can buy. Expect it to move towards 44,840, and then 44,840, 860 should be the next. Beyond that, I can expect 44,940, 45,050, and if this is taken, stay bullish for 45,200 levels as the next targets. On the downside, a selling entry is at 44,700, expected to move towards 44. 660, 640 first, 600 second, and then below that 44. If it breaks below 44, 600, 580, you can just stay short for 44, 500, the next milestone, below which anyways a greater correction has to be there very soon. Trade accordingly. Let's move to Germany. On the early charts, if you look at, the prices have come towards the support zone, 20 period moving average, and every time it has come towards 20 period, we have seen a bounce back. Now let it trade below the 20 period. That is very important for Germany40, and thus a selling entry is only and only if you see it is staying below 44,470, 44,430 zone. This is the zone where it is going to get prime support. And once 44,470, 430 is taken, I think the chances will be high that we may see it dropping all the way towards 44,360, 380, and then 44,300 levels. See, Germany40 so far has shown a very strong rally here, very steep rally here, and now the bottom here is now towards 22,300. Sorry, so 22, 370, 340 is what it needs to break, and then 22,300. Once 22,300 is taken, you can say now it is a reversal. Else it is still not showing any signs of reversal. Stochastic dropping here, MACD crossing over here, trading with divergence and bearishness looking downwards. RSI has dropped, which is signs of bearishness. On the 2-hour charts, likewise, you can see it has formed a good support here. In fact, you can sell here at for 22, 470 levels. Expect it to move towards 22, 430, 440, 22, 400, 22, 370, 22, 340, 300. Till 22, 300, I will say extremely strong support levels are available for Germany40. Stochastic has dropped, MACD has crossed over at the top, trading with slight bearishness. RSI extremely overbought. Things are definitely extremely overbought here for Germany40. Look, whenever it shows the divergence, the chances of convergence increases. And right now, the 20 period sitting at around 22, 300 makes it a very strong support zone. Here's the stochastic has dropped. The MACD is, anyways, trying to converge, and RSI is staying extremely overbought. So now, in fact, if you see today, Germany40 below 22,470, we can take a selling entry. And the more far away trades below 22, 500 levels, you can say the bearishness should increase here. Possibilities is high here. The indicators have started to cool down, because see, these were trading with extreme bullishness here and extremely overbought as well. Look at the daily charts, rise and then a sharp fall. Rise, this could lead to a sharp fall all the way, though right now it is not showing any such sign, but sooner or later it has to again show this. See, it is also outside Bollinger Bands, and hence it is getting difficult for Germany40 to sustain the levels. On the upside now, if you see it is staying beyond 22,530, you can expect a round of rise towards 22,580, 600. And if it trades about 22,600, that is the time you can say now it is reversing. See, higher lows are seen, higher highs are seen, a drop below 22. 300 is what you should wait for in order to confirm the dip here. All the way towards 21,800 is possible, but right now it is not showing any such sign. Yes, things are getting extremely overbought here for Germany 40. Be mindful, be watchful of this. So looking at this, I will recommend you to buy 22,430 levels and expect it to, or 22,530 levels, expect it to move towards 22,580, 600 as the first target zone. If this is taken, stay bullish for 22,650, and 22,650 if it takes away, I think there is no looking back for Germany 40. On the downside, take a selling entry 22,470, expect 22,430, 22,400, 22,360, 22,300, and once it drops below 22,300, we are looking forward to a round of correction which is going to take it towards 22,200 and 22,000 levels very, very soon. Take your trades accordingly. Let's move to UK. See, UK 100 has shown a very strong dip yesterday, coming off from the highs at 88.48, 820. We have seen it dropping all the way towards 87.40 levels. Now, see what's happening. Yes, it is still delivering higher lows, higher highs, keeping intact in this bullish channel. And now, when you look at the consolidation, look at the consolidation after the drop. It is just staying in the zone. 20-50 period moving average, anyways, is a good resistance. Only buying entries if you see it is staying above 8780, 790 zone. If you see it staying above these two, you can expect that next move is going to take it all the way towards 88.20 and 88.50 levels. Now on the downside, very, very important for it to now trade below 8750, 8720 zone. This is the zone which is going to provide it a maximum support here. The stochastic rising MACD after the dip trying to bounce back. RSI is also looking upwards. On the 2-hour chart, similar observation. See, right now it is seen taking the resistance from the 20-50 period moving average. It is trying to stay in this zone, and now 8780, 8790 is the zone it needs to break in order to turn bullish here. Let's wait for the direction it takes. Yes, the indicators are starting to retrace here after a good dip yesterday. On the 3-hour chart, similar observation, hitting the 50 period, trying to bounce back. I think we have to wait for 8780, 8790 zone to be taken in order to confirm the reversal here. Here the stochastic is rising while the MACD is bearish. The RSI is trying to bounce back. And on the 4-hour chart, similar observation, nothing different. See, it has consolidated enough here and it is looking upwards, which is a very good sign for the bulls. But I can also sense a little bit of resistance here. So wait for it to either break upside or on the downside in order to confirm a direction here. Yes, there is still a lot much of room available on the daily chart for it to continue with the downside. Look at the movement here. See, this is how it has been trading, and now the lows here are towards 86504. The FTSE 100. It is not showing any such sign of such a stronger retracement. Let it trade below 8750 today, and then 8735, 8720 should come into picture. If 8720 is taken away today, you can just stay short for 8720 and 8650 levels should be there very, very soon. Right now, it is not showing any such sign, and thus on the downside, you should be trading with caution. On the upside, I will recommend a buying entry at 8780 levels. Expect 87919 to first target zone 8810, 8825, and then is towards the moon we are looking forward to. Chances for which appears to be less looking at the move from yesterday. Take your trades, take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch and signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you. See you again before the US session with more updates. Do watch that as well. Thank you.